Dia banyak stall, tapi most of the stall jual benda sama.
Sorry ketawa.
One and Only Podcast Cerita Lah, hosted by Andy.
Enak.
Sekarang ni kita NBA kita ada Bazar Ramadan kan. So apa pendapat korang? Kalau korang rasa makin teruk ke ataupun makin bagus? Macam korang ada pergi tak di recent je?
Overpriced lah. Tapi some orang cakap is norm. It's
Yeah,
norm
yeah.
for now. For this generation dah norm dia punya price. Pasal market value dah tinggi. So that's why diorang jual lagi mahal.
Okay, quite true also.
Hmm.
You will dive deeper about that.
Oh,
Wah,
Aku tak pergi sangat lah. Unless macam kawan aku nak pergi, macam aku pergi dengan kau, si point kau nak masuk dan aku ikut kau je apa. Tapi to buy anything there, no. Sebab untuk aku, dia banyak stall, tapi most of the stall jual benda sama.
sorry ketawa. sorry. I just find it funny. I don't know why.
Yeah, so
That's
Itulah.
true really lah Pada
Untuk
aku I think okay, I think di sini kita aku pergi Woodlands punya bazar lah. So